Introducing our exquisite collection of genuine leather boots for women and girls, designed to elevate your style and keep you cozy throughout the winter of 2024. Step into a world of elegance and sophistication with our premium leather boots. Crafted with the utmost care and attention to detail, these boots are made from the finest leather, ensuring durability, comfort, and timeless style. Embrace the beauty of winter with our versatile boots that are suitable for every occasion. From casual outings to formal events, these boots effortlessly complement any ensemble. Whether you're attending a holiday party, exploring a winter wonderland, or simply running errands, our boots are the perfect choice. Experience the luxury of genuine leather as it wraps around your feet, providing a snug and comfortable fit. The natural breathability of the leather ensures that your feet stay warm and dry, even on the coldest days. Our collection boasts a variety of styles, from classic and sophisticated to trendy and chic. Whether you prefer ankle boots, knee-high boots, or stylish booties, we have the perfect pair to suit your taste and elevate your winter wardrobe. Walk with confidence and grace, knowing that you're adorned in boots that are not only fashionable but also crafted to withstand the elements. The sturdy construction and high-quality materials ensure that these boots will be your trusted companions for many winters to come. Indulge in the feeling of luxury as you slip your feet into these elegant leather boots. With their timeless designs and impeccable craftsmanship, they are sure to make a statement wherever you go. Don't compromise on style or comfort this winter. Choose our genuine leather boots and embrace the perfect combination of fashion and functionality. Step into the winter of 2024 with confidence, knowing that you're wearing boots that are both on trend and enduring.